towards a lake, but I'm still trying to, the last few days have been pretty cold, so I'm curious what the conditions are going to be like. So we're going to check it out. If the conditions aren't good, we're going to have to find something else to do, but so far right now, we will have to, we'll just give her a see what it looks like. Stay tuned. This is a super pretty drive. It's crazy because lately here in Alaska, like last week, it was super warm, windy. Last weekend was really bad as far as weather goes, but right now it's like a cool, like 12 degrees. A lot of the ground is back frozen, and the sun's out. It's really pretty because usually the weather, when it's colder, the sky's like clearer, and it's just really pretty. So I'm enjoying this ride. What's up, guys? So on the lake, but as you can see, there's snow on it. Not a ton, probably like an inch or two, probably a little less actually. But this is what the lake looks like. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna walk around and kind of see what's going on. I noticed there's some bikers that headed over this way, and then yeah, we'll figure out what we're gonna do here. I did bring ice skates because I wasn't sure what the conditions were gonna be like. There is a lot of snow, so I don't think maybe you could maybe ice skate. And you can see the ice is like literally right there. So we'll see what I end up doing. I think it works pretty good. This is awesome. You guys probably can't hear, but every once in a while I hear out here boom or boom boom on the ice, and those are called pressure cracks. And essentially all it is just air pockets in the ice, just shooting out. It's usually nothing to worry about, especially if they're minor. The ones I'm hearing are so quiet you can barely hear it. But they are kind of spooky. If you haven't heard them before, it's just like you're also skating and you hear boom boom. So yeah, I don't know if you guys knew that. Sweet. Wow. This is pretty cool. totally like camping here in the summer. It's just right on the beach here. It's pretty sweet. Oh, goodbye, lake. Oh, that was fun. Warm the car here. Oh. Man, I'm actually happy. I've never been to this lake before, so it ended up being a really cool experience. Earlier this year, there was a time where that lake had like 0 snow on it, so you could just you could ice skate across it, and it was like crystal clear. Unfortunately, I missed that time. I was gone, but I was still able to ice skate, so I thought that was pretty cool. I honestly was not totally sure what it was gonna be like, or if that was even possible. Right now, I knew it snowed a little bit, but yeah, that was pretty cool. I think I'm gonna head back. I'm debating whether if I should go anywhere else for you guys. We'll see. So this is like the one thing I like, or this is one of the things I like most about Alaska, is that like you can go out and do stuff like what I just did, and it's still like you have your whole day left. It's only 2 o'clock right now, and I'm headed back home. I could do whatever I wanted, and I still went out and did something pretty fun that didn't take up the whole day. I think that's pretty cool. There's not a ton of places in the world where you could just go out to some crazy lake and ice skate just for a little bit. So yeah, I think that's, I don't know, it's just something pretty cool about Alaska. You know, being able to stay outdoors and do all that fun stuff outside. I'm really looking forward to this summer though, because I want to show you guys a bunch of cool spots here in Alaska, and the summer is completely different here. I feel like I've heard so many stories of people who they come to Alaska, they come visit in the summer, and then they're hooked. They're like, man, I love Alaska. It's the best place in the world. And then they stay, they end up moving here, and then they realize, oh, the winters are not as fun. But the one thing about the winters that people say, usually, people who aren't from here will think, oh, it's the cold, it's so cold. And it's like, yes, it is cold, but that's not the worst part in my opinion. The worst part is the darkness. Right now it's really sunny, but and it's beginning of February here, but it'll still get dark right around 5 o'clock, and the sun didn't rise till around 9:30 today. So it's not like we're getting a ton of daylight. We're getting more as the summer gets closer, but the thick of December, I mean, we got maybe 5 hours of sunlight most. So I'd say that is probably one of the hardest parts about living here, is that darkness in the winter time. And the winter takes up 9 months out of the year. Our summers are so much shorter than any other state. I really think if you can tough it out through the winter, and appreciate the winter for what it is. Like today, for example, I mean, it's not gloomy every day. It's cold, but I mean, it's gorgeous. And if you can appreciate that, I think you'd do all right here in Alaska. Sweet. So I just started another little hike here. A little bit down the road. But I think this is going to be pretty cool. I've been here one time, so I'm interested to see how the water is going to look and everything. I think that there's a waterfall at the end of this trail, so Should be pretty cool. I'll show you guys. It's just so pretty. Almost there. I gotta go down there. Big trees. Man, this is so cool. A waterfall right here. It's completely frozen. Like, solid. It's just pure ice all along here. I'll show you. It's completely rock hard. That is so cool. That's pretty cool, guys. I've never seen that before. Last time I came here, there was actually, like, there was no ice. It wasn't frozen at all. But look at all this. Completely frozen. And then you get up there and it's just pure ice. It's like just barely flowing underneath. It's so cool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed that kind of content, give a like and subscribe, and I'll be uploading that content. More of that kind of stuff here soon. I got some family coming to town here shortly, so I gotta head back to town, but we'll see you guys next time.